Before we get started, a quick word from our sponsor, Community Financial's President CEO Tansley Stearns podcast, Despite Impossible. Now on to the show. Studio Lounge interviews at the World Credit Union Conference, brought to you by Visa and the Worldwide Foundation for Credit Unions. And what does that look like from the member perspective? Do they notice anything, or is it all kind of back office stuff, or what does the member see, or and maybe even share what the staff sees as well, or how's it help them deepen the member relationship?
Yep. So the what the member will experience is, I'll use a real life example. They go apply for a credit card.
Yeah.
They apply for the credit card, instant decision. If there's an opportunity to cross-sell additional products, we would cross-sell those products as well. So, hey, here's your credit card. We notice you have a personal loan out there. We can refinance that personal loan, save you $50, $60, $100 a month,
wow.
And have that real-time interaction with the member.
Mm-hmm.
And that'll be done real-time, frictionless experience. And then it's done. From a member perspective, it should take less than 5 minutes, and you're off to the races with your new product. The back office obviously is going to be much more streamlined, much more automated. But the member experience, which is the kind of the keys of the kingdom from an engagement and from a loyalty perspective, it should be an outstanding experience on par with leading fintechs.
Yeah, and that's what everyone's looking for, that memorable member experience that brings them back for more, for sure. And Tom, share with me kind of the implementation. How did you guys work together to get this rolling for Golden One?
Yeah, what I think is sort of unique about the process is we start with the credit and risk teams and really understand what they're trying to accomplish from a business perspective. And the conversation starts with, let's, no holds barred, right? One of the challenges I think that credit unions find with today's technology is that it's sort of rigid and limited in how you can set up product strategies and how you can do your pricing innovation. There's delays in how quickly you can roll out changes. So we start the process by saying, okay, if you could do anything, how would you want it to work? And then we create this model. It's a no code environment, drag and drop. We can blend new data sources together, without any coding. So we go through that process and we design a process that follows exactly what, the risk, credit, policy, member, relations teams want to accomplish. Mm-hmm. And then we do the work to make sure that it goes out to APIs and interfaces that connect with the front end where someone's applying online, connects to the origination platform for example, for indirect or redecisioning when you do have to do manual underwriting. And we also create connections to, the back end for pricing setup. So whatever connections are needed, that's kind of the power that's why we call it a decision orchestration platform. It's orchestrating those business decisions across the rest of your IT touch points.
Now, a quick word from our sponsor, Community Financial's President CEO Tansley Stearns' new podcast, Despite Impossible.